Hello? Oh, how are you, Mr. Kumar? Alright. Okay, your ceiling fan is giving some issues. No problem, sir. What I'll do is I will come with my electrician and check the problem. Alright, sir. Okay, bye-bye. Raju,
Yes, sir.
you remember Mr. Kumar? We had done the complete wiring of his house? Well, he is facing some issue with his ceiling fan. Let us go and check the problem. Alright? Friends, our job as electrician does not end with installations. You will get such calls for troubleshooting and repairing. Today, you are going to learn about troubleshooting and repairing of a ceiling fan. After completing this session, you will be able to troubleshoot a ceiling fan and repair a ceiling fan.